The logistics officer plays a central role in the supply chain and operational framework of any organization that deals with the movement of goods, materials, or services. Acting as the key figure in planning, coordinating, and monitoring logistics operations, this professional ensures that resources are transported, stored, and delivered efficiently and on time. The job description of a logistics officer focuses heavily on overseeing the supply chain's functionality, minimizing delays, and maximizing cost-effectiveness while ensuring that all processes meet organizational and regulatory standards. In an increasingly globalized and fast-paced business environment, the logistics officer's role has become more critical than ever. Whether in manufacturing, retail, e-commerce, construction, or healthcare, logistics officers are responsible for ensuring that every item, from raw materials to finished products, reaches the right destination, in the right quantity, at the right time. They work with suppliers, transport companies, warehouse teams, and internal departments to ensure seamless execution of logistics operations. The job requires a mix of practical coordination skills and strategic oversight, making it one of the most dynamic and essential roles in the operational sector. The job description of a logistics officer places strong emphasis on problem-solving, adaptability, and an in-depth understanding of logistics systems. From inventory management to transport scheduling and route planning, logistics officers must handle multiple aspects of the supply chain while staying informed about cost, timing, and risk. As companies increasingly rely on lean inventory and just-in-time supply models, the logistics officer's ability to anticipate needs and resolve disruptions becomes a major determinant of operational success. Core responsibilities of a logistics officer. The logistics officer's responsibilities begin with developing and implementing logistics strategies that align with organizational goals. This includes analyzing supply chain processes, identifying areas for improvement, and devising logistics plans that reduce cost while improving delivery speed and accuracy. Whether dealing with domestic or international logistics, the officer ensures that all regulatory and safety requirements are strictly followed. One of the central tasks is managing inventory levels and ensuring accurate tracking of all stock. This involves coordinating with warehouse teams to oversee the receipt, storage, and dispatch of goods. Logistics officers must maintain records of stock movements and make adjustments in real time to reflect any discrepancies. Monitoring inventory levels helps prevent stockouts or overstock situations, both of which can disrupt business continuity. Transport coordination is another significant aspect of the role. The logistics officer selects the most suitable transportation methods, whether by road, rail, air, or sea, and coordinates the scheduling of shipments. They evaluate delivery performance, track shipments in transit, and resolve any delays or issues with couriers or freight companies. Negotiating transport rates and ensuring the safe handling of goods during transit are also part of the responsibilities. Furthermore, logistics officers play a vital role in supplier and vendor management. They build and maintain relationships with logistics providers and suppliers, ensuring that service-level agreements are met and that vendors deliver quality and reliability. Communicating effectively with suppliers about delivery timelines, documentation, and compliance requirements is key to preventing logistical errors or inefficiencies. The logistics officer is also responsible for ensuring proper documentation and compliance. This includes preparing bills of lading, customs paperwork, invoices, and shipment manifests. Compliance with international shipping regulations, trade laws, and environmental policies is particularly important when handling cross-border logistics. Risk assessment and mitigation are ongoing responsibilities. The logistics officer identifies potential issues such as delays, damaged goods, or customs hold-ups and develops contingency plans to address them. A proactive approach to problem-solving is essential to maintain smooth operations, especially during peak business seasons or supply chain disruptions. Essential skills and competencies of a logistics officer. The logistics officer must be highly organized and able to manage multiple tasks simultaneously. A strong command of logistics software and enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems is essential for real-time tracking and data analysis. Being technologically adept allows the officer to generate accurate reports, monitor supply chain performance, and automate routine tasks for increased efficiency. Attention to detail is crucial in this role. A small mistake in documentation, inventory counting, or shipment labeling can lead to costly delays or compliance issues. The logistics officer must ensure that all procedures are followed meticulously and that records are accurate and up to date. Problem solving and analytical thinking are indispensable qualities. Whether rerouting a delayed shipment or managing an unexpected shortage, the logistics officer must think on their feet and provide practical solutions under pressure. Analyzing supply chain data to identify inefficiencies and implement improvements also falls within their purview. Strong communication and interpersonal skills are vital. Logistics officers must coordinate with colleagues, suppliers, freight companies, and customs officials, often under tight deadlines. Clear communication helps avoid misunderstandings and ensures that everyone involved in the logistics process is aligned with expectations and timelines. Leadership and team coordination are important, especially when overseeing a logistics team or warehouse staff. The officer may be responsible for assigning duties, conducting performance evaluations, and ensuring that safety protocols are followed. Leading by example and fostering a collaborative team environment contribute to more efficient logistics operations. Financial acumen is another key attribute. The logistics officer must understand budgeting, cost control, and financial reporting to manage logistics expenditures effectively. Decisions regarding transportation methods, packaging materials, and supplier contracts often have financial implications that need careful analysis. Workplace environment and operational challenges. Logistics officers work in various industries including manufacturing, retail, pharmaceuticals, construction, and humanitarian organizations. They may be based in corporate offices, warehouses, or distribution centers, and the job often involves travel to vendor sites, shipping docks, or regional facilities. The work schedule can be demanding, especially during product launches, seasonal peaks, or supply disruptions. One of the main challenges faced by logistics officers is managing unforeseen delays or disruptions. Weather conditions, labor strikes, transport breakdowns, and customs issues can all impact delivery timelines. The logistics officer must remain calm under pressure and find alternative solutions to minimize impact. Another challenge is the integration of technology into logistics operations. As businesses transition to automated systems and digital tracking tools, the logistics officer must stay updated with new technologies and ensure that their team adapts accordingly. Cybersecurity and data accuracy also become important concerns in a digitized logistics framework. Regulatory compliance, especially in international trade, presents its own set of difficulties. Understanding customs procedures, tariffs, and export-import restrictions is necessary to prevent costly legal issues or delays. Logistics officers must remain informed about changing regulations to ensure smooth cross-border operations. Educational background and career advancement. Most logistics officer roles require a bachelor's degree in supply chain management, logistics, business administration, or a related field. Some organizations may also consider candidates with experience in transportation, warehouse management, or inventory control. Certifications such as Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, Certified in Logistics, Transportation, and Distribution, CLTD, or similar credentials enhance a candidate's competitiveness. Entry-level positions such as Logistics Assistant, Inventory Controller, or Transport Coordinator serve as valuable stepping stones. With experience and proven competence, logistics officers can move into senior roles such as Logistics Manager, Supply Chain Manager, or Operations Director. Continuous professional development and staying abreast of industry trends are essential for long-term success in the logistics field. Conclusion. The job description of a logistics officer encapsulates a vital role in the efficient operation of modern supply chains. Tasked with coordinating transportation, managing inventory, overseeing warehouse operations, and ensuring timely deliveries, the logistics officer acts as the backbone of organizational logistics. By combining technical expertise with strong problem-solving and communication skills, they ensure that goods and materials flow seamlessly through the supply chain. A successful logistics officer must possess the ability to adapt to changing circumstances, manage complex logistical networks, and work collaboratively across multiple departments. The role offers both challenge and opportunity, and for those with the right mix of skills and dedication, it serves as a rewarding career with a significant impact on organizational success.